Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another update. So we're back at the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. This is like the 10th update I'm doing for you guys. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the summer is over. So borrow somebody's phone. If you already subscribe, you know, on bus, you know, on taxi, just borrow somebody's phone and subscribe. You know, each one help one. Remember to like the video and leave your comment as well. This project is being done at a cost of Jamaica 950 million. We have the prison on the left. Another person is calling for the relocation of the prison. You know, prime beachfront properties could come here. That's what some persons are saying. So it's the Tower Street Correctional Center on the left. And this is the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment Project. They're completely redoing the area. So we see curb walls going in and stuff like that. They're gonna raise the level of the original road. It was 4 lanes before, and they're gonna put back the 4 lanes. So what we're doing today is driving the entire length of the area, just to show you guys how it looks from a driving standpoint. So I'm gonna go around and come back on the other side. So thanks for liking in advance, guys. If you haven't liked the video as yet, like it now. If you haven't commented as yet, leave a comment. And remember to share it so that person can see all the great developments happening in Jamaica. So it doesn't matter what you do, like, comment, share. It really helps the channel, and that's a form of support as well. I know some persons support by donating through PayPal. We have PayPal in the channel description, so if you want to donate in a monetary form, that's greatly appreciated as well, because you know it does take cost to do this video, gas, time, and everything. What I also want to do is to big up one of my YouTube colleagues. I'll put the name of his channel in the comments. The name of the channel is DIYs, do it yourself, DIYs and more with the Fosters. So it's a Jamaican family, and they have different contents, cooking videos, and a lot more. So you guys go check out, go show us support, go subscribe, you know, and say that Rush sent you. Let's see how much of you guys will go on over. You know, as I said before, you know, each person helps somebody else. You know, so whoever is supporting me can support this other YouTuber as well. So it's DIYs and more with the Fosters. So this is the project. So over here will be the parking area. They'll also have a changing room and also a restroom as well. They'll have a boardwalk. They'll have an area for fishing. So it will be a little chill area. And again, they'll put back their 4 lanes in. I guess they'll probably put some form of plants and other things in the middle right here. So I think the project is moving. It could have been going faster, but it is moving, because I know once the curb walls are in, then it's time to resurface the area. So a main part of the project is to strengthen the coastline. So they have placed a lot of boulders over on the left. and also, you know, create that very thick concrete you're seeing, just to protect the shoreline from waves coming in, or even if an hurricane come by. But the boulders and the concrete reinforcement should be able to break the waves. This project run all the way close to Arbor Street, but you guys will see for yourself. It goes close to the Foreign Affairs building. So again, Port Royal Street, Coastal Revetment Project. That's what we're taking a look on today. So this is the driving video, and what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna include a drone video so you guys can see the entire area. So lots of work happening even around these areas, because a lot of erosion was happening in these areas. You know, the ocean was coming in on the land. So I think this was a well-needed project. And we know that it ties back into even the St. Thomas Highway that's being built. So they're doing the entire corridor so that, you know, when everything is finished, it's smooth sailing from St. Thomas straight back to Clarendon, straight back to Manchester, and eventually straight back to, you know, Westmoreland. Again, guys, leave your comments, let me know your thoughts about the project. So we're seeing that in almost the entire area, the concrete reinforcement is in. I think this is the last section they're now doing. You can see that they're putting in the casting to pour concrete. So this is where the project is going to finish. Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. So the project will end right here. And this is also a new building that was recently completed. I think China Harbour also got that contract. And then another new building is the Grace Kennedy headquarters in front of us. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just drive all the way down to the Victoria Pier, and I'll end the video there, just to give you guys you know, a better view of the area. Alright, so we'll take this left right at East Street. We'll take this one way and get a shot of the Bank of Jamaica. I've never been in that building before. How many of you guys have ever gone in this building, the Bank of Jamaica? A statue of the Honorable Noel Nettersole. And then Scotia on the right, they're doing some renovation. This was Scotia head office downtown. And then in front of us, getting some reflection, the Jamaica Conference Center. And then we're now at the Victoria Pier. So you guys have a better view of where we are. So this is the Victoria Pier. Some recreational spaces down here. Some chill areas. You see there's some seats. You can sit down and enjoy the views from the ocean. And then they recently converted this building down here, which was empty and vacant for years, and they have now repurposed it. You have Gloria's Restaurant, Ribby's Restaurant, Ocean's 11. They also have ice cream and other pastries. So this was a very good move when they repurposed this building, because it was just empty and vacant before. So this is the Victoria Pier. A very nice chill spot. Persons come on Sunday and basically every day of the week just to relax, just to chill a little bit. So this is where the video ends. I'm just gonna step out and just give you guys like a 360 view of this area. Then we end the video there. But stay tuned. As I said, I'm gonna do a drone video next of the same Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project, so you guys can see some aerial shots. So that video is coming next. Stay tuned for it. Remember to share, like, comment. Thanks again, guys. Let's do a 360 view outside.